What if modern finance could operate without a traditional headquarters? What if banking and blockchain could be connected? This is the world of BYTNEX. Welcome to the engine.
Traditional banking is built on friction. To secure a loan, an individual typically needs collateral, a verified credit history, and a mountain of legal documentation designed to protect the lender. Decentralized finance, however, operates on the promise of removing those barriers entirely. BYTNEX takes this concept to an extreme. Instead of a credit check, a user pays a $100 non-refundable fee. This payment triggers a smart contract, prompting an offshore bank to issue a capital loan of over $40,000. That capital is then locked within the protocol to generate returns. Based on the system's compounding projections, that initial $100 entry is estimated to grow into a payout exceeding $1.2 million over a 7-year period. At first glance, this structure aligns with the mechanics of a typical digital scam. Unsecured loans of this size, offered to anonymous users, generally do not exist in functioning financial markets. This chart tracks activity across blockchain wallets associated with these specific contracts. The data shows thousands of nodes funneling into clusters currently holding over 16,000 Bitcoin. While verifiable on the ledger, it doesn't clarify the relationship between these funds and the individual user. This creates a significant discrepancy. Substantial capital is moving through the system, yet the fundamental question remains: why would any institutional lender provide massive, unsecured capital to anonymous entities? BYTNEX relies on 4 entities: user, offshore bank, insurance company, and DeFi staking platform. The user's feed triggers the contract. The bank allocates a $43,200 loan directly into the staking platform, bypassing the user. An insurance company backstops the loan, protecting the bank from default. This curve illustrates the protocol's compounding power. Locked in a proof-of-stake network, the $43,200 loan generates daily rewards between 0.01% and 0.3%. At 5 years, estimated profit reaches $500,000. At 7 years, the theoretical payout skyrockets past $1.2 million. While the mathematical model appears consistent in a vacuum, the complexity of the compounding projections often obscures how the actual financial risk is distributed among the participants. Professional financial institutions do not provide capital without a clear, low-risk path to profit. In this ecosystem, the smart money ensures its returns are secured long before the user reaches their payout date. Comparing profit extraction timelines reveals a stark contrast. The bank receives continuous annual interest of 5.5% to 6.75%, drawn directly from daily staking rewards. Simultaneously, the insurance company skims monthly premiums between $210 and $300 directly from those same generated profits. The result is a sharp divide in liquidity. The bank and the insurer secure tangible, liquid returns from day one, while the retail user's projected millions remain theoretical and locked for years. Maintaining a user's attention for 7 years without any financial movement is difficult. To address the natural impatience of retail investors, the protocol includes a secondary layer designed for immediate activity. The system integrates multi-level marketing into the long-term staking protocol. Users generate immediate cash flow while waiting for contracts to mature. Recruiting a new participant earns an immediate 30% commission. This $30 reward is available within 72 hours. This network marketing engine serves as an effective engagement tool. It keeps the community focused on small, immediate commissions, distracting from the fact that their primary capital remains locked in a high-risk 7-year commitment. BYTNEX operates as a DAO, or Decentralized Autonomous Organization. This means the entire system, managing millions in institutional loans and insurance, functions without a physical headquarters, a board of directors, or any central authority. Now, this creates a paradox of transparency. While the blockchain provides a public record of every transaction, the people who design and control the system remain completely anonymous. For an investor locked into a multi-year contract, this anonymity is a significant vulnerability. If the smart contract is compromised, the algorithm fails, or the developers simply cease operations, the user's projected return could disappear instantly. In the event of a system failure, there is no regulatory body to oversee a recovery. There is no customer support desk, no legal jurisdiction to petition, and no one to hold accountable in a court of law. The risk distribution is clear. Traditional institutions like banks and insurers extract their profit early and with certainty. They offload the entirety of the long-term systemic risk onto the retail users, who are banking on a 7-year promise. Ultimately, BYTNEX shows how traditional financial incentives can be automated to extract immediate value for institutions, while pushing the long-term uncertainty of a 7-year lockup onto individuals who have no legal way to hold the anonymous system accountable.
Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Vishal Digital Tech for more updates on AI and technology.